let's make sure that we can hear both notes. Yeah, start at the tip where you're going to be. Forget the vibrato. We want to hear just clarity. It's fuzzy. Sticky. Yes. So, this was something that is really important as you're going through a concert. If you notice that your bow is starting to get fuzzier or you're losing connection, maybe you're sliding down the fingerboard a little bit. You need to reconnect. You can always slow the tempo down, but you have to be aware of it. If you're not hearing, if you're thinking, I'm not really sure I got that note because it's becoming very like cloud-like. So do it again.